Hello guys, my name is Yelena and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made these cute cookies. I'm sure you recognize all those famous characters, and this is what I end up with. Very cute, and I packaged them. Alright. So first, of course, we need to cut them out. Again, I didn't have exact cutters, so I made my own template from just the paper and I traced it on my cookie dough. For the cloud shape, I didn't have a cutter either, so I thought ice cream cone, the top of it kind of looks like a cloud. So I'm gonna use the top of it, cut off the part I don't need, and I thought I will roll my rolling pin a little over, kind of make it more look like a cloud. And now let's decorate. I'm using my recipe for royal icing, and I will leave the link in the box underneath this video. You can go see how I make that. It's simple one with meringue powder and just powdered sugar and water. And I thin it out just enough for kind of flattening consistency, but still not very thick. So this way I don't have to do borders around my cookie first. I'm using silver highlighter to paint over my message, and I'm pushing my brush into the icing to create rough texture on top, kind of make it more interesting. Now I'm using stiff icing to pipe the hair, so it's the same color, only stiff, and this way you will see it's not gonna sink in. And of course we'll continue to make all the facial details. Make more hair. Now I'm using petal dust to color cloud, make it look a little more like a rainbow. So I'm gonna use assortment of yellows, pinks, blues, and green, and just color away. If some silver spots got a little muddy at this point, you can paint right over them. So there we have it, our little cute cookies. Thank you everybody who watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and we'll see you next video. Bye, love you so much.